First up, we have a recommendation from Motilal Oswal. Buy or small finance bank with a target price of R720. This promising outlook sets the stage for potential gains in the banking sector. According to the Economic Times, experts have recommended 9-day trading stocks for today: Thermax, Glenmark, Vedanta, Deepak Fertilizers, BHEL, Wockhardt, Tata Power, Lind India, and Gillette India. Keep an eye on these stocks for short-term trading opportunities. In the realm of electric vehicles, India's new EV policy presents an exciting opportunity for domestic component makers, with a potential localization opportunity worth at least $2.1 billion. This development could significantly boost the electric mobility ecosystem in one of the world's largest automobile markets. Shifting our focus to the international scene, US stocks began the week on a strong note, led by a rally in tech stocks. This bullish momentum sets a positive tone for global markets. Finally, Tata Sons Limited is making headlines with its plan to raise at least $1.1 billion by selling shares in Tata Consultancy Services Limited. This strategic move could have implications for both Tata Sons and the broader software services sector. Gujarat Gas Limited. The company is set to consider the declaration of a dividend on the 6th of May. Aditya Vision Limited. They will be considering a proposal for the declaration of a special dividend on the 20th of March. The record date for this dividend is the 29th of March 2024. Intelligent Supply Chain Infrastructure Trust. The trust has declared a distribution of 0.9309 rupees per unit. The record date for this distribution is the 22nd of March 2024, with payment expected within 15 days. Digital Fiber Infrastructure Trust. A distribution of 2.4029 rupees per unit has been declared, with a record date of the 22nd of March 2024. Payment is expected on or before the 28th of March. Sundaram Clayton Limited. The company will consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 26th of March. The record date for this dividend is the 4th of April 2024. Visco Trade Associates Limited. They will consider the declaration of an interim dividend and a stock split on the 21st of March. Velgen Denison Limited. They will consider a proposal for the issue of bonus shares. Bodhi Tree Multimedia Limited. The record date for a stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees per share is the 2nd of April 2024. Till Limited. The company is issuing rights at 10 rupees per share in a ratio of 28:10. The record date for this is the 22nd of March 2024. Bartronics India Limited. They are considering a proposal to raise funds through a rights issue on the 21st of March. Maharashtra Apex Corporation Limited. They will consider a proposal for fundraising through a rights issue on the 21st of March.